Persistent gray. Well, despite yesterday's ray of hope, ray of sunshine in the afternoon, it started raining again and kind of kept at it off and on all night and into today, and now we have gray, although it looks like it's attempting to bring some sun. And I'm going to try and upload a National Weather Service satellite loop, which is really cool. And yeah, this weather has really made people crabby too, including me at times, but I'll get over it. What's going on, doggies? Where are we? Where are we, Stella? Huh? I think we're ready to go to the doggy park. Dog park. This is me going to work. Yes, it's raining again. I know. I do have a raincoat. It's in the car over here. Hold on, I gotta put something down. Just look around a second while I open the door. There we go. Ugh. When will this end? Ready, doggies? Oh, it's a nice, cool evening. Come on, Dogs. It's my Friday, of course. Hey, where are you going? Jimmy's dragging his chains. Come on, Dogs. Let's see if we got some music. I don't hear any music. No Latin music coming out of here? Oh yeah, we got music.
It might be a 6-bar parade today. Let's try that as is. You're ahead of me. So are we playing?
Yes. Stick a camera in your face.
Hi! Aha! How are you tonight, Steve?
Good. How are you doing?
Good. It's been super busy in here tonight.
Well, good.
Very boisterous.
Nice.
Yeah, it's been a nice, dancey-filled night.
So I'm finishing out my work week with a little walk of the dogs and had some coffee and talk with some friends and listen to some good music. Great way to end a stressful week.